You got this. 6 months, $500, that's all it takes. It might seem like a small amount, but it's the beginning of something much bigger. Think of it as planting a seed. With the right care and attention, it will grow into something amazing. Forget the money for a second, it's about your mindset. Your attitude and approach will determine your success. Take time to reflect on your goals and visualize your future. Meditate, journal, and get clear on what you want to achieve. This clarity will guide you through the journey. That's what we're building first. That $500, invest in yourself. Online courses, enroll in classes that will enhance your skills and knowledge. Attend webinars and take detailed notes. The more you learn, the more you grow. This investment in education will pay off in the long run. Coaching calls, books, knowledge is power. This is your foundation, build it strong. This first month it's about learning, absorbing, getting your mind right. Seek out mentors and coaches who can provide guidance and support. Read books that inspire and educate you. Study intently and apply what you learn. You're not just working a job, you're building a future. Every step you take, every plan you make, is a step towards your dream. Create a vision board to keep your goals in sight. Plan your actions on a whiteboard. Look at your roadmap or business plan regularly to stay on track. Remember, this is just the beginning. Your future is in your hands. Time to make moves. Find products that pay big commissions. Think real estate, insurance, online marketing services. These are your money makers. Why high commission? Because it's all about leverage. Sell one house, you make bank. Sell one big marketing package, boom, income explosion. Don't be afraid to niche down. Become the go-to expert in a specific area. Luxury condos, small business insurance. Find your lane and dominate. You got the basics, you know your product. Now become the best. Study your industry, know it inside and out. People trust experts, network like crazy. Go to industry events, connect online, build relationships. People buy from people they like. This is hustle time. Work your butt off. Learn from the best, become the best. 3 months, you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Section 4. Level up, negotiate, or launch. This is the moment you've been preparing for. All the hard work, the late nights, and the dedication have brought you to this pivotal point. You put in the work, you crushed it. Every challenge you faced, you overcame. Every obstacle you turned into an opportunity. Now it's time to level up. Got a job? It's not just about doing the work anymore, it's about showing your value and making sure others see it too. Go to your boss with your wins. Document your achievements, quantify your successes, and present them confidently. Negotiate a raise or promotion. Don't be afraid to ask for what you deserve. You've earned it through your hard work and dedication. Ready to be your own boss? Take the leap. The skills you've honed and the knowledge you've gained have prepared you for this. Start your own business using what you've learned. Turn your passion into a profession. Build something that is uniquely yours. You've got the skills and the confidence. Believe in yourself and your abilities. You've come this far and you can go even further. Remember, fear is a liar. Take that risk. Bet on yourself. The greatest achievements come from stepping out of your comfort zone. You've come too far to settle. This is your moment. Embrace it, own it, and make the most of it. The future is yours to shape. Section 5. Double down, scale up your success. This is where the magic happens. You've laid the groundwork, and now it's time to take things to the next level. Scaling up isn't just about making more money, it's about creating a sustainable and thriving business that can weather any storm. It's about being strategic and intentional with your growth. Money coming in? Don't blow it. Reinvest in yourself. Use those profits to fuel further growth. Whether it's upgrading your equipment, investing in marketing, or expanding your team, make sure every dollar spent is a step towards your bigger vision. Remember, every great business reinvests in its future. Hire help, outsource tasks. You can't do everything on your own, and you shouldn't have to. Bringing in experts allows you to focus on what you do best. Delegate the tasks that drain your energy and time. This way you can concentrate on driving your business forward. Focus on what you're good at. Selling and growing. Start a side hustle, something scalable. Diversifying your income streams can provide stability and open up new opportunities. Think about what skills or knowledge you have that others might find valuable. Maybe it's an online course teaching your skills. Share your expertise with a wider audience. Online courses are a fantastic way to generate passive income while helping others learn and grow. Plus, they can establish you as an authority in your field. Maybe it's an e-commerce store. Multiple income streams, baby. Selling products online can be incredibly lucrative, especially if you find a niche market. Whether it's physical products or digital downloads, an e-commerce store can provide a steady stream of revenue. This is about building long-term wealth. Think beyond the immediate gains and focus on creating a legacy. Long-term investments, whether in your business or other ventures, can secure your financial future and provide stability for years to come. Not just a quick buck. Quick wins are great, but they shouldn't be your only focus. Sustainable success comes from careful planning and strategic decisions. Avoid the temptation of short-term gains that could jeopardize your long-term goals. Think bigger. Think legacy. Your business has the potential to make a lasting impact. Dream big and set ambitious goals. Your vision should extend beyond your lifetime, creating something that future generations can benefit from. You're building something that lasts. Every decision you make today is a brick in the foundation of your legacy. Stay focused, stay committed, and keep pushing forward. Your hard work will pay off, and you'll create something truly remarkable. Section 6. Work smart, crush it. Listen up. This isn't about working yourself to death, it's about working smart. Make strategic decisions. Focus on high-impact activities. Never stop learning. Read books, listen to podcasts, attend seminars. The more you know, the more you grow. You got this. 6 months can change your life. But you gotta start now. Take that first step. I believe in you.